This is Carrie Wachter with Global Medical News Network, reporting from the 2010 Breast Cancer Symposium in National Harbor, Maryland. The meeting was sponsored by the American Society for Clinical Oncology.
And why I think this is very informative is it allows us to understand mammography in the real-world setting, what actually happens in modern times with mammography in this age group. The controversy over this age group came out from guidelines from the United States Preventive Task Force that said, really in essence, finally, we need to talk to women about mammography. And when they analyzed randomized studies and did what we call a meta-analysis, which is analyzing them all, some of which were old, using a different form of mammography, they found that they had to screen 1,900 women to save one life. So the data from Sweden differs in terms of how many people we need to subject to mammography in order to save a life. And I think the real question becomes taking this into the clinic in terms of talking to patients about the benefits of mammography as well as the risks of the test, which are false positives or extra biopsies. And I think it allows us to decide that this test, while imperfect, does remain the best screening test we have available. Many societies still recommend screening mammography in age 40 to 49. Guidelines through many organizations, the American Cancer Society, did not change. But I think what it helps us understand is we can go back to our patients and talk about a test. Anytime we order a diagnostic test, we need to talk about it. And when we talk about a test, we have to say that, we have to think of it in another way. How many life years have we saved? So in women who are age 40 who are diagnosed with breast cancer, they're anticipating living 30, 40, 50 more years. So a illness over their lifetime has greater ramifications.
This is Carrie Wachter reporting for Global Medical News Network.